I'm a big fan of fresh pages, fresh content, fresh marketing, fresh fish, fresh underwear, fresh drinks. All right, let's have a C4 because it matches my shirt and my hat. Isn't that funny? Look at that. Boy, this drink was just made for me. Jolly Rancher Sour Apple Energy Drink. You bet your sweet butt I'm going to drink this. All right, what's the new marketing materials that I want to share with you folks? Well, you can look at it, stare at it, gaze at it, and listen to it just by clicking a button. I love saveclub.com. Click that little bad boy, and you're going to go to this page. This is the brand new, I like to call it a capture page. You can call it a power line landing page, call it what you want. But this is my favorite page because it usually means I'm in the money, I'm in the moolah. There's a good chance I can make some scratch, some chicken feed. Okay, and the reason I say that is because if you do click ilovesaveclub.com, when you get to this page, there's a 50-50 chance that you're going to say yeah or no, or maybe a 33% chance of saying yeah, no, maybe. Okay, I like those odds because for you to even find this page, it usually means you're trying to save money on things you're already buying or already going to buy, or you're looking for a home-based business that you can work obviously at home on your computer or your cell phone. I'm living proof of that. You can do it. If you asked me 2 years ago when I started this online business, would I enjoy talking to a webcam and inviting people to click a link to watch videos? I go, no, because I would rather just watch YouTube videos, stream movies, and mess off at car shows and rock and roll concerts, just doing anything other than talking about saving money. I think it's called pissing it away. I like to spend money on crazy stuff like Hot Wheels, Legos, and trinkets. And I think if you look behind my sweet looking yeller hat, you can see that if I have some extra money, holy crap, I'm on Amazon or eBay buying stuff. So I like to make money. But 2 years ago, when I started making money online, I almost feel guilty because I literally can just sit in front of this webcam, talk to you folks for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe a little longer, just about Save Club. And if you want to come to this page right now and watch the movie, that little YouTube, I guess you just call it a video. It's not really a movie. And it's short and sweet and it gets to the point. It explains what Save Club is perfectly. And it's brand new. This just debuted a few hours ago. And so far, so good. I think people are going to like it. Now, the goal is for you guys to fill out your information here on the right. And when you do, you click this little orange button, and you're going to get a nice email directly from Save Club. And I also see that you're pre-enrolled. I'm going to send you an email too, just to prove I'm not some autoresponder. Okay, I didn't write the email 2 years ago, and you're going to get something that's outdated and lame. I look and say, hey, it looks like Carol. Hey, Bob. Hey, what's going on, Godzilla? I don't know who's going to, join as a pre-enrollee, but I like to just email that person and just say, hey, I'm a real guy. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm pretty good at this Save Club thing. I've made about $1,000 a week, and I'm on month number 1, about 4 weeks. And my take home is going to be right around $4,000. So I'm just averaging $1,000 a week. I've saved about $950. Now that's what's amazing about this opportunity. I'm doing the Save Club thing as a member, even if there was no affiliate division. Now what I did, I got out 3 $20 bills. Look, I got 3 20s right here in front of me. Look at that. I didn't even print these. They even smell good. I like the smell of money, and I'm sure that there's just the most disgusting things ever on these, and I don't care. I still smell them. Oh, man, these are the best feelings in the world. Just feel that money. I think it's made out of cotton and linen. Some people think it's paper, but I heard it's like linen mixed with cotton. Is that true? You guys will have to comment below this video. But what I did is I became an affiliate of Save Club. $60. I got a website, which is amazing. I'll show you what it looks like. But you get the capture page right on your screen too. It's built into the $60. Then what you do is you just get good at inviting people to your own link. Now, if you look at the top of the screen, it says save clubsplash.com/Cory Draper. Now, my username is my name, Cory Draper. So if you join and want to use this page, you'll just put your username. So if your name is Goshzilla, then you'd put GOSHGODZILLA. Whatever your username can be. It can be your business, a nickname, or your real name. I just chose my real name because I'd forget if I used a fake one or a business one. So there's the link. So when you click ilovesaveclub.com, it goes right to this link, which is this page, and it's brand new. It's only hours old, and it's updated. It's a little fresh, it's a little yummy, and it smells real good. Go ahead and scroll down. You can read a little bit. Look at that. Church's Chicken, Chucky, Hard Rock Cafe. I've lived in Vegas a long time. I definitely know the Hard Rock Cafe. Brass Pro Shops. I'm putting ours in names. Boy, they're massive, aren't you? God, you drive around the freeways in America. Oh my God, Bass Pro Shops is the size of cities. And if you can save money there, excellent. Disney, you ever heard of Disney? Costs about $75 million just to go for one day now. So how nice is it to save money when you go to Disney? We have flight deals. We have hotel deals. We have Lyft. You can get a free ride to the airport. No, it ain't going to be free, but it might be $5 off. That'd be kind of nice. Not bad at all, right? Or it could be free if you just beg your mom or your grandpa or maybe your pet goldfish if they'll pay for you. But with Save Club, you're going to go and probably visit just these opportunities right here anyway. You might as well go mess around a little bit and log in. And look at that. You have a full-blown website. And when you're an affiliate, you can go in and check out all the people that are coming and visiting if they've signed up. These people right here, you can see this afternoon, I've had one person pre-enroll, and I'll probably have one or two people go ahead and upgrade, which means, hey, you know what? I want to be an affiliate like Cory was talking about. But I've signed up about 11 people in the last 4 or 5 days. Not bad. What is that, 5 days? I'm on day number 6. So yeah, if I can average, 1 to 2 to 3 signups per day, that's just awesome. And then what I do is I send you a nice email to show you exactly what I do to kick ass like this. Now I have 2 things that are really amazing. I have a funnel system, and for $25, boy, this thing has really amped up my experience. And you can see right here, I got 300, 400, 500, 300 about a day web hits. And it's nice. It just means people are kind of looking around. And right now, early this morning, I got about 49. So we'll see what happens. Will I get some signups? And it's the weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. So a lot of people aren't going to really go online to look to save money because they've already spent the money to go fishing, hiking, boating, and screwing offing. But I'll tell you, it's very exciting when people go ahead and say, I got to look at this opportunity. I got to check this out. I got to see what's going on. And when people go ahead and pre-enroll, that's very exciting. That means you're almost there. You're probably going to be a member and enjoy saving 50, 100, maybe $200 a month, maybe more. My first month at a full 30 days, I'm at $950 of savings between 5 tires for my Hummer, 6 for my Crew Cab Dually Chevy truck, a purple mattress, a couple restaurants, and 2 car washes. And I think that's it. I think I might buy a pet giraffe. I'll see if I can go to the zoo and buy a giraffe. My dad used to say giraffe. Okay, look at those giraffes. Man, those things are crazy with those long necks. But saveclubfunnels.com. This is nice. It's a nice compliment when you just struggle, you run out of ideas, you don't know what to post, or maybe you need video. Well, my team, we have videos for you. We have marketing materials for you. We have banners. We have pictures. If you just stall and just, God, you have like a brain fry, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it at all. We got your back. We're going to give you all the materials already made. Just get good at uploading on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Maybe go to Twitter, Craigslist. Go wherever you'd like. Make business cards. Those are red ones I made at Vistaprint on your screen right now. $22 for a big old box for ilovesaveclub.com. cards, and I just hand them out. I never say anything when I go on to, oh God, let's just say I go to a party or I'm at a gas station. Maybe I'm at a car show. Hey, Cory, what's that save thing I saw you talking about on Facebook? I just give you a card and say, hey, you know what? Just watch this little video first. And after, then go ahead and get a hold of me, Cory at corydraper.com. But I want you to watch little videos. That's how I do my recruiting. You can see the product, the service, the opportunity, support at saveclub.com. If you have any questions, get a hold of support. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate. If you have a question that's decent. Now, if it's about how to market and do stuff, that's not what customer support's for. It's about joining your website, finances, maybe Visa, MasterCard problems. We even accept all forms of cryptocurrency as well, because we're a worldwide thing. We're going to be in a couple hundred countries. We're going to have 1 million people and 1 million deals worldwide. It's down the road. We're in the pre-launch mode right now, which is, let's see, June 1st is when we say ready, set, go. Today's the 24th, so we got about 6 more days, a little less than a week. So if you're watching me right now and you're looking to join a business, now's the time to do it. Don't be waiting another week or so, because I'm going to sign up a ton of more people. And right now, if you know downlines or matrices, just look it up. You've probably participated in something similar to Save Club, but not an exact Save Club. We will get compared to, let's say, Groupon, Priceline, Orbitz, but we have an affiliate division. This is where we get paid, not a celebrity, not an influencer, not people that own a bunch of websites that get traffic. You and me watching right now. And this company's paid me about $1,000 a month the last month. I've saved about $950, and my funnel system has brought me in another $700-800, and it's recurring. It gets bigger each month. As long as you guys like the funnel system, you're going to use it. And it's nice to know that you can make money too with SaveClubFunnels.com. But look into it. You don't have to do the funnels. If you have a lot of fresh ideas and you're pretty good at marketing, you can come up with your own funnel, let's say. But if not, we have one that works right now, and it's only $25. And if you like it, go ahead and get it each month. I think most people are going to say, screw it, I need the funnel system. And that's just the truth, because I'm always talking to my downline just about every day. I like to get feedback, because if it works, awesome. It makes me feel good. And if something is average or sucks or doesn't work at all, I just get rid of it. There's always chances of something not working, but these links right now, they absolutely work. They're making really nice money right now, and the savings are there. And I think you're going to have a good experience if you give it a shot, okay? So anyway, that's the good news. We have a brand new page, and that is it right there. So click play, fill out that form right there, hit the orange button, and climb aboard. And if you need me, I'm always on Facebook. Just inbox me there. Or like I said, my email is Cory at corydraper.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to have me a beverage. I'm having my Jolly Green, what's it called? Jolly Rancher Sports Fitness Energy Drink. But there's no sugar and no calories. And I just sip them. I get enough energy. Okay? So come aboard, guys. What I want you to do is get $320. All right? $320. I want you to join as an affiliate, and then that extra 20 for $19.97, you're going to be a member, and you're going to get 3 pennies back. Okay? That's it, folks. 3 pennies back, and you are in the game. You got some skin in the game. Feels good, right? Okay, have a good one, and we'll talk to you next video, guys. Okay, there you go. Fill that little form out right there and hit that orange button. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.